As a mechanical contractor, no doubt you have run into situations on VAV applications where you get to the job site and there's some kind of problem. Either the valve has been forgotten or there's a scheduling problem with regard to the pipe fitter installation schedule or the electrician or the sheet metal contractor. Siemens has come up with a unique solution to help you avoid these issues. Imagine instead of the typical chaos at a job site where the VAV box shows up one day, the valves show up another day, and the other fittings show up at another day, and the contractor that's going to install the whole thing shows up hopefully at another day. Imagine, if you will, the entire box shows up already configured, all ready to install, all in one piece. Let's look at some of the components that are involved in this, all in this single package. Look what you have here. The handles are easily grabbed, easily configured so that you can take the whole assembly, walk it up the ladder, put it in place, and install it. Incorporated in one package are these components that would normally have to be piped up one at a time. We have here the control valve, pre-mounted, pre-piped. We have the balancing valve for your T&B guy when he comes in and later in the job. Hot water reheat coil, all in one place, already piped up. Coming back out, we have a strainer installed, close-off valve. Only 2 connections now do you need to make out here for your supply and return. Our pressure gauge indicates that there is no leak inside the system. And what that tells you is that this pre-piped, pre-packaged system is leak-free when it gets to your job site. Let's take a look at this now from the inlet side. On the air inlet side, you see the pressure differential pickups. Just to show you how manageable this is, I'm a middle-aged man, I don't work out, so it's easy to move around. Let's take a look at the underside and see the documentation that you see, installation instructions and specifications. Also on the call-out tag, you can see that the inlet size for the air and also this call-out for the coil is clearly identified. And there you have all the information you need to make sure you got the right box at the right site. Let's rotate it now downward and we can see the control panel. You see on the front of the control panel we have the wiring diagram, so that's easily visible. Open up the control panel. You can see the actual controller mounted on the device, on the box. What you see here in the control panel is the Siemens actuator controller, but Stromquist, as a provider of open systems, can provide for you the controller selection of your choice. For our final view, let's rotate one more time. We're now looking at the reheat coil. This particular coil is a single row, but there are multiple coil options available. Consult with Stromquist and they can provide you with any configuration that you need in this regard. That's a look at the Siemens ZCU, a new, unique product offered by Siemens, guaranteed to save you time and money on job installation. Contractors who have discovered and used the new Siemens ZCU have experienced the joy of smooth installations and cost savings. For more information, contact Stromquist & Company and ask for the Siemens ZCU.